No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? And don't you still.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This is your boy, Ray Matt. I just got off work today. I'm tired. I got my ragged beard going on. I got my dirty hat on. You know what I'm saying? Even got my dirty tee on. But right now, man, I'm at home. I'm ready to chill, fix me something to eat. But I want me some good old tasting lemonade. That's what we're making today, y'all. Some good old tasting lemonade. This recipe comes from Mesha, from Mesha's Corner. I want you guys to go check Mesha out. Let's get into it right now. Ray Mack style. I'm sorry, this is Mesha style.
YouTube fam, this is what we're going to do. We're going to make our simple syrup. All you have to do is take 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, put it into a saucepan, put it over some heat, let the sugar dissolve, all right? Cook it until the sugar dissolve. Then we're going to take at least around about 6 lemons, all right? We're going to get those lemons squeezed out with a juicer, or you can squeeze them by hand. Some people say that an easier way to get the juice out of a lemon, you can put the lemon in the microwave for a few seconds. Don't nuke it, but just put it in for a few seconds and then squeeze out your juices. But you can use your juicer as I'm using right here. This would definitely help. After that, we're going to take our simple syrup. You can put it into a gallon pitcher. I used to have a gallon pitcher here. I'm telling you, y'all, this was super sweet and it was good. Seriously. So get you a gallon pitcher or a gallon jug, add your simple syrup, add your lemon juice, top it off with water. Some people put ice cubes in theirs. This is your lemonade. Do whatever you want to do to it. But after you do that, man, guaranteed. I put mine in the freezer, all right? I like some chilled lemonade, all right? Put it in the freezer, and you're ready to serve up something nice. Try this recipe. You'll love it. Peace!
YouTube. Look here. After I made that lemonade, and I went and I put it in the refrigerator, it took me a shower, shaved my head, got my beard right. I left the house for a little while. Then I come back home wanting to get me some of that good tasting lemonade. This is what I come home to. This is it. This is all I have. Out of all that lemonade. But at least I still get to try some of it. You guys got to try this recipe. Mesha, thank you for posting this on Facebook. This is definitely one lemonade recipe that I will be using for the rest of my life. This is good, y'all. Thank you for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. You guys be good. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.
Thank you guys for checking out this here video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Today is the day when I will announce the 20K giveaway winner. All you have to do is click on this video if you want to enter the giveaway before 8 o'clock Eastern time, and just comment in the comment section, and I want to say good luck to the winner. Peace.